Hello and welcome along to the first of two videos that I've produced showing a remarkable event that's held in Dorset every 2 years, has been since 2010, and this year there were about 100 vehicles involved. It showcases all types of US Army vehicles from the Second World War that were used during the invasion of Normandy in June 1944 at what is known as D-Day. So we've got obviously lorries, half tracks, we've got tanks, mainly Sherman tanks, we've got recovery vehicles and motorbike outriders, which are a really important part of it because they help to control the traffic. The event is seen here going through the lanes of Dorchester on the Saturday morning on their way across, and they'll go through the ford at Morton. I decided not to go there to get video because it can get very crowded, so I set myself up out in the countryside a bit before then, and then after Morton they go up through the forest and round and spend a couple of 3 hours at Bovington Tank Museum. Then in the afternoon they go from Bovington and they go into Dorchester town centre, and that I'll show you in part 2, and that will include an interview with the owner of one of the more extraordinary vehicles and the biggest gun you've seen. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to the channel. It helps the YouTube algorithms and helps other people find my channel. Here we see Fort Henry. Now Fort Henry is down on Studland, down in Dorset, and this is a concrete structure that was built in 1943, and it's an observation post. As you'll see in a moment when we go along and look through and round the other side, it gave a view out over the sea for military purposes, and top military personnel could go in here and view the operations as they were getting ready and preparing for D-Day. And two of the more famous visitors were Prime Minister Winston Churchill and US President Dwight D. Eisenhower. So, as I fade the video back to monochrome to give you a taste of the nostalgia, and this will conclude part 1 of our look at Armour Embarkation. Please keep an eye out for part 2, which will then show the vehicles as they come into Dorchester town centre on the Saturday, and I'll give you an interview with one of the owners. Thanks for viewing.